The TB12 diet is a nutritional approach developed by professional football player Tom Brady and his personal trainer, Guerrero. The diet is named after Brady's initials and his jersey number, 12. Here are the key principles and components of the TB12 diet. Whole, plant-based foods. The TB12 diet emphasizes consuming mostly whole, minimally processed foods, with a focus on plant-based sources. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds make up the foundation of the diet. High-quality protein. While the diet encourages plant-based sources of protein such as beans, lentils, and tofu, it also includes lean animal proteins like fish and organic, pasture-raised poultry. Red meat is generally limited or avoided. Anti-inflammatory foods. The TB12 diet aims to reduce inflammation in the body by avoiding or minimizing foods that are considered pro-inflammatory. This includes processed foods, refined sugars, artificial sweeteners, trans fats, and foods high in saturated fats. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is an essential aspect of the TB12 diet. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is encouraged to support overall health and optimal performance. Alkaline foods. The diet promotes consuming alkaline foods to maintain an optimal pH balance in the body. This involves including foods like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and certain fruits while limiting acidic foods like processed grains, dairy, and most animal proteins. Avoidance of certain foods. The TB12 diet advises avoiding or minimizing foods such as white flour, white rice, potatoes, certain oils, like vegetable and canola oil, caffeine, mushrooms, and nightshade vegetables, such as tomatoes, eggplants, and peppers, due to their potential inflammatory effects. Timing of meals. The TB12 diet recommends eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to maintain consistent energy levels and support digestion. It also suggests avoiding large meals close to bedtime. Supplements. The diet may include specific supplements to support nutrient intake and overall health. However, the specific supplements recommended may vary based on an individual's needs and goals. It's important to note that the TB12 diet is a highly individualized approach tailored to Tom Brady's specific needs and preferences as an elite athlete. While it may provide some general principles for healthy eating, it's always advisable to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet to ensure it meets your specific nutritional needs and goals. Are there any specific recipes or meal plans available for the TB12 diet? Yes, there are specific recipes and meal plans available for the TB12 diet. While the exact recipes and meal plans may vary depending on individual preferences and dietary needs, here are some general guidelines and examples of meals that align with the principles of the TB12 diet. Breakfast. Overnight chia pudding with almond milk, chia seeds, and fresh berries. Veggie omelette made with egg whites or a plant-based alternative, filled with spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Smoothie bowl with blended frozen fruits, plant-based protein powder, and topped with nuts, seeds, and coconut flakes. Lunch. Quinoa salad with mixed greens, roasted vegetables, avocado, and a lemon tahini dressing. Grilled chicken or tofu wrap with whole grain tortilla, mixed greens, tomato, cucumber, and hummus. Lentil soup with a side of steamed vegetables and a small side salad. Snacks. Raw almonds or mixed nuts. Fresh cut vegetables with hummus. Fruit salad with a variety of seasonal fruits. Dinner. Grilled salmon or tempeh with steamed broccoli, roasted sweet potatoes, and a side of quinoa. stir-fried tofu or chicken with a variety of colorful vegetables and brown rice. Zucchini noodles with a homemade tomato sauce, topped with grilled chicken, shrimp, or plant-based protein. Dessert. Fresh fruit parfait with layers of Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of granola or nuts. Dark chocolate energy balls made with dates, almond butter, cocoa powder, and rolled in coconut flakes. These are just a few examples, and the TB12 diet can be customized based on individual preferences and dietary needs. It's important to focus on consuming whole, minimally processed foods and incorporating a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats in each meal. If you're looking for more specific recipes and meal plans tailored to the TB12 diet, it's recommended to consult resources such as Tom Brady's book, The TB12 Method, or work with a registered dietitian who can provide personalized guidance and support. Does Tom Brady eat eggs? Yes, Tom Brady does consume eggs as part of his diet. While the TB12 diet emphasizes a plant-based approach and leans towards vegetarian options, it is not strictly vegan. Eggs are a source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients, and they can be included in the diet in moderation. It's worth noting that Tom Brady has mentioned in interviews and his book, The TB12 Method, that he generally opts for egg whites rather than whole eggs. This choice is based on his preference for lower fat and cholesterol intake. However, individual preferences and dietary needs may vary, and some people following the TB12 diet may choose to include whole eggs. As always, it's essential to remember that dietary choices are highly individual, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's advisable to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to determine the best approach for your specific nutritional needs and goals. What are the 12 principles of TB12? The TB12 method, developed by Tom Brady and his trainer Alex Guerrero, consists of 12 core principles that form the foundation of their approach to health, wellness, and athletic performance. These principles are as follows. 1. Pliability, emphasizing the importance of maintaining flexible and supple muscles to enhance performance and reduce the risk of injury. This involves incorporating specific stretching and soft tissue work into training routines. 2. Recovery, recognizing the significance of proper rest and recovery to allow the body to repair and rebuild. This includes strategies such as adequate sleep, active recovery, and techniques like compression therapy and hydration. 3. Hydration, promoting optimal hydration to support overall health and performance. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for maintaining proper bodily functions. 4. Nutrition, emphasizing the consumption of whole, minimally processed foods to provide the body with essential nutrients and promote overall well-being. The TB12 diet focuses on plant-based, anti-inflammatory foods while limiting processed sugars and other pro-inflammatory ingredients. 5. Cognitive fitness, acknowledging the importance of mental fitness and mindfulness in achieving peak performance. Techniques such as visualization, goal setting, and stress reduction strategies are incorporated to enhance cognitive well-being. 6. Functional strength and conditioning, prioritizing exercises that improve functional strength, mobility, and stability rather than solely focusing on traditional weightlifting. This approach aims to enhance athletic performance while reducing the risk of injury. 7. Prehabilitation, engaging in proactive exercises and training to prevent injuries before they occur. This includes targeted exercises for specific areas prone to injury and addressing muscle imbalances. 8. Sports-specific skill development, tailoring training to develop specific skills and movements required for a particular sport or activity. This principle focuses on enhancing performance in a sport-specific context. 9. Performance lifestyle. Adopting a holistic and disciplined approach to lifestyle choices that support optimal performance. This includes managing stress, establishing consistent routines, and making choices aligned with one's goals. 10. Brain exercises. Incorporating activities and exercises that stimulate cognitive function and brain health. This can involve puzzles, memory games, or other mental challenges. 11. Posture and alignment. Recognizing the importance of correct posture and alignment for optimal movement and injury prevention. This principle emphasizes maintaining proper body mechanics during physical activity and daily life. 12. Rehabilitation. Integrating specific exercises and protocols to address and recover from injuries effectively. This includes targeted rehabilitation exercises and techniques to promote healing and regain strength.